Okay. The ion exchange design consists of about 6 screens that you would step through. The first one, the initialization screen, is you or say what kind of a design are you doing. In this case, we're going to do a new plant design. We're going to use 1 train online plus 1 train on standby. And you can specify either do you want to run with a fixed runtime, or do you want to run where you're going to specify something like the specific velocity and then ask the program to determine what kind of a runtime you get. In this case, we're going to pick a runtime and we'll pick 12 hours.